Hey everybody, David here with your tip of the week. Okay, so if you've ever had a computer that is running a little bit slow and it just really is bothersome and you think you might be due for a new computer, pay attention to this week's tip because I got a great one for you. So I'll just give you an example of how I stumbled across this week's tip. So I've had this computer right here for the last, 4 years at least, and it's kind of reaching the time where I'm about due to get a new computer. I've really been noticing that it's been running slow, just a little more sluggish than usual, and I found this free piece of software that a friend recommended to me. It's called advancedsystemcare.com. That's the website, and I've actually put a link to it right down below in the section right down there, so you can get to it from there. But what it does is, again, it's a free piece of software. You just download right to your computer, and it does a few different things for you. The first thing it does is it clears out all of the malware or spyware that kind of gets on your computer without you knowing it. Cleans all of that stuff off for you. It fixes any registry errors. I guess as you own a computer and you do your things and whatever, delete files, add files, you get registry errors. Well, it fixes all of those. It fixes any broken links to any shortcuts or anything like that. And it also cleans up junk files that you may have stored on your computer that might just be taking up space that could be slowing it down. I downloaded it on my computer and it is running like the day after I bought it. It's worked great. I was a little bit leery at first. Any kind of free software you get, you got to kind of make sure that it's not attached with any of that spyware or anything like that. And I checked it out on CNET. It got a 5-star rating from CNET, and it also got a 5-star rating from the reviewers that have used it. And if I were to write a review on CNET, it would definitely get a 5-star rating from me. So great stuff. Really will speed up your computer if you're having issues with that. If not, maybe someone you know might need some help. Forward this on to them, and it'll help out a lot. So hope this week's tip helps out a lot. Now, are you feeling a little bit down because maybe friends family has taken advantage of these low rates and refinanced, but maybe you can't because you don't have the equity in your property, or maybe you're even a little bit underwater and can't refinance? Well, if that's you, I've got great news for you. We've just released a new program that will allow you to finance up to 125% of your home's value. Now, there's one major kicker that you have to make sure that your home loan that you have right now is a Fannie Mae owned mortgage. So a majority of the loans that are in place today are Fannie Mae mortgages, thankfully. So that is the first thing that we'll check to make sure that it is a Fannie Mae loan. But if so, chances are that you qualify to finance up to 125% of your home's value. So if that's you, or maybe someone that you know that you've talked to that's looking at refinancing but just can't because they don't have the equity, this is the program for them. So that's it for this week's tip. I just want to say thanks again for watching and tuning in, and we'll see you next week. But if you guys have any questions about refinancing, purchasing your next home, your dream home, maybe downsizing, I'm always available. Give me a call, send me an email. I'd love to talk with you. Until next week, see you then. Bye.